Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. Previously, we looked at exercises to develop speed and acceleration. In case you missed it, now would be a good time to go back and watch.
Hi guys, good evening. This is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. So we almost cover passing, attacking, the tactical part of the game. Now this is conditioning part, very important. So we're going to work today on coordination and agility, which is very important. Quick footwork, it's all about the game. So I have Mr. Dharmendra with me to assist and help me. So let's start. Come on guys. Okay guys. Come on, start. Yes. Quick turning here, very nice. And here, agility, coordination with the ball, all the yes, agility exercises, and then you have to pass the ball. Very nice. And this is all about turning and speed and coordination. Well done, very nice. And go backward, come front, go backward. Yes. And there, quick turning. Well done, very nice. Yes, so you can see that this is all very important with turning and speed and coordination and agility to become a better player. So you should watch these videos and then you start and then try to practice this. It will definitely make you a better player. Okay. Yes, good. Speed, turning with speed. Speed and turning, yes. Backward, forward, sideways. Well done, Sultan. Well done, Bhavish. Good one. Yes, forward. Good one, Joel. Yes. Okay. Okay, once you finish, okay. Now, here change. Now this exercise, take one ball each. Give them the ball. Take ball each. Now same thing, to better coordination, you can do this exercise with ball. So you will get inside, outside of the feet of the ball. Okay, here you continue same. Understand? So same exercise now with the ball. So it is very important part. We have to get the more touches on the ball, then we will become more skillful player. And you improve your touches and you definitely become better player. Okay. So now you can take turn, no backward running. Take turn, go outside of the feet, inside of the feet. Okay. Okay, start. Yeah, whistle. Yes. So close touches of the ball, Shakti, stay here only. No, yeah, do it. And play. Yes, stay. Yes, pass. Yes, very good. And go back. Yes. So inside, outside, look up. It's very important. Yes, very nice. Samuel. Good, yes. So see. Good one. Very nice. Excellent. Very nice. So this is all about coordination and agility. So as you can see, we can start these drills without the ball and then work on speed. And when we get the feel, so it's all about football. You have to play with the ball. So you will definitely improve your skill and touches, and you will become more confident player when do these skills. And these boys are doing fantastic, everyone. So this is all about, guys, about conditioning part, coordination and agility. So hope you're liking and enjoying and learning. And so please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll come back to another episode soon. Thank you very much.